Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position with your Android phone where for some reason the messages are not being sent on your phone. Whether it's a Samsung, an LG, a OnePlus, or a Pixel, whatever phone you have, it's a very easy process and it can universally be fixed with a couple of different tweaks. So typically what this means is that you either don't have any signal coming to your phone, or the number you're sending the device to is either inactive and never was active, or that person just doesn't have any signal for some reason. Now, typically it's not that third reason. If they don't have signal, it will still be sent at some point. But if you're sending sometimes a large file or something like that, it may run into issues anyways. So what you want to do is you want to open up your messages and you want to just verify a couple of things. You want to make sure that the number you're sending the text to is actually active. So if you look at this number 123456789, that's not a real number. So if somebody sent you a number and it doesn't really look right or whatever, that may be an inactive number. So no matter what you do, it's not going to be fixed. So you want to make sure you have the proper number of that person you're texting. And once you have verified that the number is good and it's perfect, you want to double check your actual internet and data connection settings. So as long as you have a SIM card installed, unless you're using a different application, you want to go ahead and hop inside of your cell connections right here, click network and internet, and you want to make sure that you have a SIM card installed. You can see calls and SMS, that's grayed out for me because I don't have a SIM card installed. So if that says, no SIM, or if it shows up top that you don't have any service, if it says no service or no connections or you have 0 bars, you will not be able to send a text message or SMS message that way. You may have to switch over to WhatsApp or a different type of area to send the message to. However, if it shows up there T-Mobile or AT&T or Verizon and it shows that you're getting bars, well, quite possibly that may not be the issue. So the next thing I would recommend doing is after you double check and verify the phone number, you want to double check the message that you're sending. If you're sending a very large video or a very large photo to somebody and it seems like it's just taking forever to send, then you may have to switch over and put it up to Google Drive, put those photos or videos up to Google Drive and send a link to those videos or whatever photos via text message. If you're able to send them text messages but you're not able to send them photos or videos, you may want to make sure that you even have the ability to send photos and videos on your data plan, which you should be able to. But you do have to understand that if you're sending massive videos like gigabytes or like hundreds of megabytes of videos and photos, you're going to run into issues. So that's another pretty big thing to keep in mind. So those are the main ways to go ahead and fix this. I've never really had issues beyond that. Usually it's a no service problem with the internet connection, or it's a phone number problem. The phone number I'm texting just isn't working. So at this point, you should be good to go. You can also try restarting your phone. You can also try updating your phone as well. But typically, you should be good to go for the most part at this point. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.